now, we're on our way to the bank. We bought our house in 2020. It was a great time to buy houses then, if you had it, because people was losing their houses and stuff like that. So, we trying to secure a HELOC. If you know anything about that, it's a line of credit, an equity line of credit. So, if you know, like I know, the market is up, and if you bought a house in 2020, you got a good deal on it, and that house is probably worth a whole lot more than what you paid for it. So that gap is what you can get your HELOC loan on. So we're gonna secure that. If you ain't gotta use it. You could just put it away and use it if you need it. So you can use it to fund businesses or, you know, fix your credit or anything you need to do. So that's what we about to do now. We'll get back with you.
Yes, sir, two for the show. A couple of years ago on Headland and the Low. What's the starter? Something good.
So for those outside of Atlanta, we live in Decatur, like East Atlanta. So this is East Atlanta, where we're at. DeKalb Avenue. If anybody know about DeKalb Avenue, y'all know how these roads used to be. They just repaved these roads. I know everybody's like, hallelujah. Cause these roads was crazy about 2 months ago. So that's where we going to Madison Yards. We doing vlogs, y'all. So can't be too loud, but we just waiting. This is rough. Y'all getting the rough uncut. Getting it. This is day one. We're gonna call it life after leaving your job.
Yeah, then your variable rate is going to go down as well. I wouldn't anticipate rates going up anymore.
So yeah, so that's what this is a variable.
So you can do that. It makes sense. You can move it to the fixed rate. You don't have to do a new line or anything like that. You can lock it into a fixed rate at any time.
What's up, y'all? So we just left the bank. So it looks like we secured our HELOC loan. Look, y'all. If y'all bought a house before the market got bad, do not sell y'all house because folks are saying it was worth $400,000, $500,000. Because then you gotta have somewhere to live. You're gonna have to jump in another house in this bad market. Take advantage of these line of credits. You can just put that money to the side and you can have it when you need it. You can open a business, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So everything's looking good on that. We're finna go get something to eat. Probably stop at this spot called Muchacho's. It's real close to here. See what it's hitting on, man. This is the type of stuff that be causing accidents in Atlanta. These impatient folks like this. That's what you gotta watch out in Atlanta for, man, because folks don't know how to drive. They say that Atlanta got the worst drivers. I seen that on the internet the other day. They say Atlanta got the worst drivers. And it makes sense because my insurance done went up. And I'm mad.
No, but you can't blame nobody but yourself, y'all, because he the one be having accidents too. Don't let him fool y'all. He be having the accidents too. So he'll let Atlanta native can't drive. See, look.
Showing y'all more plants, man. We got a plant business and we love plants, y'all. It's called Desperate House Plants. Kind of play on words, but like if you're a millennial or older millennial like me, you remember the show Desperate Housewives? We thought it was just a cool name. It just kind of came out of nowhere. So we love plants. We sell plants. So we're gonna be showing nice plants as we go along too. It's a nice little spot.
It's real cool. See a lot of little plants in here that we sell to in our shop. It's kind of got our little vibe to it.
I feel like we ate not too long ago, but while we down here, we just want to check out this spot. So we'll let y'all see what it's hitting on. It's called Muchacho. We'll give them a little rating while we out here. But while we in Atlanta, we're gonna be going to these different spots and showing y'all these restaurants y'all may have never been to. We're gonna rate them along the way on this journey that we on. First, let me ask y'all something. What y'all think about when you go into the bathroom and they got those foot pull things that you gotta? Don't y'all think it'd be too hard to pull with your foot? And when you got some nice kicks on, you don't be wanting to pull you. I don't know. I just thought about that. I didn't use it. Let me try this. This is the one you had with the corn. I usually don't go for corn tortillas, but let me try it out. It tastes like.
I put some in half fun. But these are homemade corn tortillas.
Kind of tastes like beef stew.
Okay.
Kind of tastes like beef stew with a tortilla and cilantro.
It's real beefy though.
A little tough. What you give it out of 5? Out of 5.
A 6.
That's out of 5. So you give it
Oh, out of
out of
5.
10. Out of 10, you give it a 6. That's kind of low.
Out of 10 out here.
6 is kind of low. 6 out of 10 is kind of low. So that's about what I give it, I guess. We doing out of 10. Like,
I say it's not the best I've had. Like, what was the little spot we went to? Like, that's over there, close to 6 feet under.
yeah.
That little spot down Memorial. They got some good tacos. We've been there like probably. We got it just one time.
We're gonna figure out which one it is, and we're gonna go back to that one day and tell y'all what this is. No, this is what is this? Right, this is the chicken. This is the chicken mole, I think. Yeah. Let's go. Should I try some sauce on it?
I'll put some of that sauce on it.
This is the habanero sauce. She said it was a little orangey. I'm gonna try that.
It's good. She said it was mango.
Oh, it's mango. All right. It's going hot.
It is hot. Woo. She said half an hour. I put a little bit.
I don't know how I'm feeling that.
Is that chicken or beef?
It might be. It's chicken. It's chicken. Let me try it without the sauce. What is this? Let me try it without the sauce because they kind of taste the same. I don't know about that, y'all. Yeah, try that. I think it's a. They taste the same. Maybe that is it. You like it? She say I don't like nothing. I think I got
It's the cheese
a
on
child's palate sometimes.
it. The cheese. It's like the Mexican cheese. What is it? Cata? That cheese, yeah. So the cheese kind of gives it more like
Parmesan. It's giving Parmesan-y. Alright, I'm up. Yeah, so I think we got a fish and a shrimp. I'm gonna go without the sauces the first time. I think the sauces be too saucy. You know what I mean? Kind of takes over all the other stuff, you know. This is the fish. So just a fried piece of fish. Like a fish nugget. It's almost like them beer battered fish that you get out the store. That's what this looks like. Yeah, it's like it's almost like a, I don't know, giving bagged fish to me. Can't even grab it.
like it's good. It's true.
Like I said, it's giving. Yeah.
Let me see.
I don't want y'all to think I don't like them, but I don't know about this about y'all. Yeah. Kind of.
Let me taste the oil on it. I don't like that.
You don't like that?
Reason taste it.
Yeah.
Taste the reason.
All right. So far, it ain't looking all that good, y'all. This is the shrimp. Let's hope that we save the best for
I
last.
thought there was a. Oh, this is shrimp.
This is the shrimp. Let's hope that we save the best for last. I'm gonna try this.
What's that on there? Oh, cheese.
Now, that's busting. That's busting, y'all. That's a 10 out of 10. The shrimp made up for it. I wish I got all shrimp at this point.
That's good. They did put it.
The best on it. Come together. The shrimp got nice texture to it. The flavors of it's real good. The other two, the first two, they tasted kind of the same, except one had that cheese and kind of giving Parmesan a little bit. The fish was probably the worst of them all. But the shrimp, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to finish the shrimp.
I'm gonna eat that, that's fine.
These shrimp,
You know, I don't like all that.
if y'all come to Muchachos, try the shrimp tacos. Out of all the tacos, try the shrimp. That's what you want. Wrapping this up overall out of 10, maybe a 6. But the shrimp though, what we say in Atlanta, that scrimp. If you're from Atlanta, you never heard scrimp before. That scrimp, that was pretty good.
Walk down on the belt line right here.
This is the belt line, y'all. Walk off them greasy tacos. That was a no-go. If y'all come to Muchachos on the belt line off Memorial Drive, stay away from the fish tacos. It's like eating a funnel cake taco.
So guys, we just got to our house. I don't think I mentioned, but we actually turned. Oh, let me take these glasses off so I can see. Whew, that's much better. So y'all, we just got to our house and we actually turned our home into investment property. So we are now doing short-term rental on our home. And look, I got some stuff I need to do. So right now we're at the house just checking on some stuff. We got some guests coming in, I think on Friday. So I need to make up some of these beds and get stuff ready for our guests that's coming on Friday. And y'all, we just stepped on faith and just said, one day we just woke up and we was like, we about to do this. Use our property, turn into some investment property to make us some money back. Hello, Ty. Hi, how you doing? You need help? All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Ty.
Right.
How was school?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Just got back from Publix. We couldn't decide what we wanted to eat. So we were just walking through and we seen these little meal prep bags. This is the Asiago chicken pasta. Cost $23. I think they had the pasta, they had this, they had some salmon, they had a couple Indian dishes. But this serves for 23 bucks. Comes with the chicken. All of this, so we're gonna hook this up and we're gonna let you know how the thing tastes.